Taoiseach, public dental services have been completely abandoned by successive health ministers. Every child in this country should have 3 free checkups during primary school, and waiting lists have gotten so long. Some children aren't being seen until they're in transition year. The number of dentists with a public contract has plummeted from 1,450 in 2012 to only around 600 today. And on top of all of this, the sector is barely regulated. Dentists aren't required to keep up competence to practice. There's no regulation of their conduct and no inspections of their clinics by the Dental Council. RTE reported that 37 dentists were working in Ireland despite being sanctioned abroad, and one of them with a sexual assault conviction. Taoiseach, how has this been allowed to happen? I have 3 questions. When will we finally see the legislation needed to regulate the sector and ensure safety for patients? What is the government doing to ensure that all primary school children receive their 3 free checkups? And will you be supporting the Social Democrats' motion on this tomorrow?
I want to thank Deputy Kearns for raising this issue, and indeed for her private member's motion, which the government will support tomorrow, and thank you for putting it down. I'll have to come back to you with an answer from the Minister for Health in terms of the legislation, but I'll get you that directly. And what we are doing is trying to grow the dental workforce and indeed invest more in relation to dentistry services. There are now 3,661 dentists in the Dental Council register as of yesterday. It's an increase of 189 since March 2023. It is now the highest number ever. We are obviously trying, I know you are, but I do think the direct answer is we have to grow the number of dentists in our country in the first instance, and we are investing specifically more in relation to waiting lists in the public service, including a further 3.35 million this year. But I'll perhaps write to you and we'll have an opportunity to outline our position in the motion tomorrow.